Hey everybody, this is Paul 125 Roller Coaster Challenge here at Clementon Park and Splash World. And we just did a walkthrough of the entire dry park there, so we figured why not show off Splash World. So when you come down the main midway there, right there is guest services. So we're going to actually enter right here by the Big Wave Bay, which is of course their big wave pool here. So we're going to walk around. Now there's restrooms right there, and right here is the dry park, so to give you perspective. There's a swing ride going in there, carousel and stuff. So, but this is a really nice size wave pool here. You actually have the Larson Loop going in the background, Ring of Fire. But the neat thing about this park is the fact that it still exists. If you know anything about Clementon Park, it was pretty much closed down, and Gene Staples there with Indiana Beach came in and bought the whole park and got everything going. So that is the wave pool, but over here along the edge here, you got the restrooms and you got lockers. And then right over here, of course, if you're outside Philadelphia, you got to have Philadelphia water ice. And you also got, looks like it's a taco stand right there too. Now, of course, over here in the back end here, they have one of the splash things. You've seen these things at a lot of different parks. And looks like the bucket's about to go. This one is actually great design. It has a big bucket on the top there, a big tiki head. And you got, oh, there comes the bucket. This is a great little splash thing. It looks like you got 2, 3, 4 different slides. You got a purple one there, you got a green one, you got a nice little slide there. But if you look, the spray water is just come pouring in there. So if this is a hot day, which it isn't today, but if it is a hot day, you can definitely cool off here on this tiki ride here. Also, real quick, here's the path that goes along here. And I want to show everybody here, one of the biggest things I love about this park is the fact that you actually have a log flume that goes over the pond here, or lake. And it's just a really neat little feature. But we're not here to look at the log flume, we're here to check out Splash World. And I am getting misted pretty good here, so we're gonna walk down this way. Looks like if you go out this way, there's actually a bridge that takes you over to the other sections here. So once again, right there is Big Wave Bay by the Ferris wheel and the Larson Loop Ring of Fire. Now we're going to cut across this way. And again, here's a look at that tiki. So many things. Look at it. You even got parrots and stuff like that. That is well themed. Very impressed with what I'm seeing so far of Splash World. Now we're going to go over this way, and we're going to go. Actually, you know, let's just keep on looking at this water feature here, because every time I look at it, there's more and more slides. I thought there was 3, but it looks like there's like 8 of them now. But here's a bridge, and this bridge will take you over the Lazy River, which is a staple at every water park. And of course, Splash World is no exception here. And again, I can't get over how beautiful the setting is, and the fact that this park almost closed, because right there's the Lazy River, and right here is actually the lake. So as you come here, there's the sun deck right on top there. We're gonna walk around this way, but if you look right here, there's a lazy river. Right next to that, you got, looks like total drop slides, the ones where the floors drop out, which are, a lot of people like them. I'm not a huge fan of them, but it's a pretty straightforward drop, but it is a nice little thrill. There's a great view of Hellcat and the tiki area right there by the Lazy River. So when you come back over this way, you're gonna come over here, and you've got a nice little wading pool, would be the best way to call it. See a nice little pool here, where they actually have a giant pirate ship in the middle. Head over here, you've got main food court area. So you got chicken, burgers, the whole 9 yards there. Now as you come through here, you got these giant rafts. It seems to be a main area right here for the slides. So right here is the drop slides. And over here is like the family size ones there. It looks like they got the pods going, which are always fun. Now, me and the kids actually visited this park about 12, 13 years ago, and all we did was hang on the Lazy River and the slides. We never made it to the dry park. At least I didn't think so until today, when I actually went on Hellcat, and it seems so familiar to me. So this is the main entrance into the Lazy River. Now, even though it's Father's Day and it's June, it is actually a lot cooler than usual. So when you come over this way, all the way against this end here is the mat slides, which are a lot of fun. basically made for speed. And then that tube up there is the one with the giant raft that we just saw a second ago. And you're right up against the edge here. But as you walk over this way, we're going to head pretty much out of the water park there, but this one's called Torpedo Rush. These are the drop slides. Oh, this is really nice water park considering that it almost closed 2 years ago. But yeah, here's the main food court there. Cold drinks, french fries, chicken, anything you want there. And then right up there, you actually got the fly deck, so you can actually do sunning and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna head on out of the park here. It looks like there's one more structure here. This is the pirate ship here, but this is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was when you look at it. There's actually a big fountain in there. They got one of the mushroom things. We're going to cut across here. So to give you a perspective, right there's the entrance with the drop tower and everything like that. So this is a very nice sized water park, especially for such a small park like this. There's some mushrooms. So this is all one big structure here. You got the pirate ship, you got the pirate, you got everything you can use there. Now there's one more slide complex over here. Now notice that the lazy river actually goes all over this park. So it started all the way back there and it wraps all the way around here. This is why we love this lazy river. It's probably one of my favorite lazy rivers, mainly because it's so vast. And here's a good photo moment here of the dry park, the log flume going in the backdrop with everything. So the last slide tower is right over here. And this one, it looks like it is body slides. I'm going to double check real quick here. Nope, it's actually rafts. And it looks like a crazy drop down and everything like that. So here we go. Hopefully we get somebody come flying down in a second. But the fact that they got this thing going so well, and definitely check out our full walkthrough of Clementon Park, which is another, it's about an 8 to 10 minute video, but it shows you everything you need to know about this great park. There you go. Here comes the tubes. This is Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and you just saw Splash World at Clementon Park in New Jersey.